Hi, I'm Ray and we're down the allotment, and today we're going to give the lavender a prune. We're now in November and all the flowers have all gone and we're left with these bare stems. So now we need to give this a cut back. I'll show you what we're going to do. So this is the lavender that we've got on the allotment, and it's absolutely great for attracting the bees and pollinators, and we've got 4 bushes of lavender on the allotment. So during the summer the lavender sent out these spikes and then we had the flower on the end, and the bees absolutely love these. But now it's time to give it a prune. So we can use a couple of tools. The first tool we can use is a pair of clips, and we can go through clipping the old stalks, but we don't need to go too far down. So just where the new growth is, we can cut down to the new growth, not cutting it any lower into the woody wood, otherwise it may not regrow. So you can go around the whole plant, cutting the individual stems, just like so. You don't need to cut it too far down. Just where the new growth is growing. And that will regrow again in the summertime. For a large bush, doing it with the individual shears may take a little while, and we could also use a pair of hedge shears, and these are my old favourites, and we can get it done a lot quicker. And we can also get the dome shape that we like. There we go, we got a nice ball shape.